Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the Box and Whiskers plots of the lifetimes of 60 cutting tools of two brands, brand A and brand B. Okay, briefly describe these two distributions. Well, since we are given Box and Whiskers plot, we could first find the range easily since we got the minimum and maximum. We can find these two values in the Box and Whiskers plot. We can also compare their medium or talk about their medium. We could also describe their interquartile range since we can find that easily. So this is my minimum, maximum, this is my medium, which is Q2, and I have my Q1 and Q3. That will allow us to find the interquartile range. Okay, so for part A, that's what Mr. Tan going to do. Mr. Tan going to compare the range or the minimum and maximum of brand A and brand B. Mr. Tan also going to talk about the medium of brand A and the medium of brand B. All this data is found on the Box and Whiskers plot easily, okay? And the interquartile range as well. And you can indicate your working using brackets. Okay? So all this data is on the Box and Whiskers plot. Now, part B. If the cutting tools of this brand A and brand B are sold at the same price, which brand would you prefer and why? Since we are talking about lifetimes here, so of course I would choose the brand that would last me longer. So when I compare the medium, right? The medium for brand B is 138. It is higher than that of brand A medium. Okay, so I would then of course prefer brand B. Okay, because the lifetime, if I compare the medium, the lifetime is longer. Okay, describe briefly the shape of the distribution for each brand. So if I look at the distribution A, where the left whisker and the right whisker is about the same, so this is what we call an asymmetrical distribution. And if I look at brand B, the left whisker is longer than the right whisker. We just have to indicate that it is a skew because the left whisker is longer than the right whisker. And we are done describing the distribution. Well, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.